Are you facing so much problems with your current ERP software? Switch your ERP software to Dial ERP. Because Dial ERP offer a wide range of modules and features. CRM Trail. CRM Trail is an upgraded system of CRM by Dial ERP with some latest features and apps which can help you to save your time and grow your business. Outlet Trail. Outlet Trail is an innovative app for field force. In this application, easy to add primary and secondary leads. User can also check their team attendance and maintain punch in and punch out time. There are various features provided by Outlet Trail. Web. CRM's dashboard where you can see every single detail related to your business. Field Sales app. Quick and easy way to record real-time sales, attendance, visits, expenses, and all other activities of employee. Distributors app. Distributors can place and track orders. Supports UPI, credit card, debit card, net banking, and OD payments along with credit monitoring. Retailer app. Retailers can enjoy loyalty programs run by company. This app goal is to boost secondary sales and connect with retailers. Dispatch app. This app helps in coordination and allocation of resources such as vehicles, personal or equipment to fulfill the delivery tasks efficiently. Helps manage driver and delivery vehicle. Delivery app. Driver can find nearest delivery locations and mark delivery of goods to customers. Company can monitor all activities of the driver. For more updates and free demo, follow us on our Instagram page.